With Celestron's Travel Scope, it's never been easier to take a high-quality telescope on the go. Each travel scope includes a durable canvas backpack, perfect for taking along on a camping trip or hike. When you arrive at your destination, assemble the telescope and you'll be ready to observe in minutes with no tools necessary. The adjustable tripod can extend to full height or collapse for use on a picnic table or bench for more comfortable viewing. Travel Scope is a refractor-style telescope with objective lenses ranging from 50 to 70 millimeters. That's enough light-gathering ability to view the rings of Saturn, craters on the Moon, and many more of the brightest celestial objects. An erect image diagonal corrects the orientation of your images, so you can also use Travel Scope for daytime observations of wildlife, birds, and more. To view objects, first center them in the 2x20 optical finder scope. Then, get a closer look using either the low or high power eyepiece. Simply turn the knobs to bring your subjects into sharp focus. When you're out under the stars, use Celestron's free Sky Portal mobile app for iOS and Android to locate objects in the night sky. As you observe, listen to Sky Portal's audio descriptions for the most popular objects. Happy stargazing! Let your telescope take you on a tour of the cosmos with the NexStar SLT, or Star Locating Telescope. Every telescope in this popular family features the same locating technology on our high-end observatory telescope, priced to fit your budget. Designed with beginning and intermediate amateur astronomer in mind, NexStar SLT is easy to set up and use. Assembling the telescope takes just a few minutes. Then, the computerized NexStar Plus hand control guides you through our Sky Align procedure. Center any 3 bright objects, and the telescope is aligned and ready to locate any star, planet, or galaxy in its 40,000 object database. If you aren't sure what to observe, check out the Sky Tour. It automatically generates a list of the best objects currently visible based on your exact time and location. This SLT family features a variety of optical tube sizes and styles. There's a 102mm refractor, 90mm, and 127mm Maksutov-Cassegrain models, and the 130mm Newtonian reflector with maximum light-gathering ability. All 4 models provide the bright, sharp images you'd expect from Celestron, the world's #1 telescope maker. Your NexStar SLT includes everything you need to get started with amateur astronomy, including a tripod, a finder scope, and 2 eyepieces. When you're out under the stars, use Celestron's free Sky Portal mobile app for iOS and Android to locate objects in the night sky. As you observe, listen to Sky Portal's audio descriptions for the most popular objects. Happy stargazing! Embark on a voyage of discovery with your family with Celestron's best-selling Power Seeker Alt-Azimuth telescopes. These easy-to-use telescopes come with everything you need to get started with amateur astronomy, including a tripod, a finder scope, 2 eyepieces, and a Barlow lens, which triples the power of each eyepiece. Choose the optical tube that's right for you. From the compact Power Seeker 50 AZ with grab-and-go convenience to the large Power Seeker 80 AZS with more light-gathering ability. Every Power Seeker offers great views of the Moon and planets. Center the object in the finder scope, and it's ready to view. A larger model will provide more detailed views and help you enjoy fainter deep sky objects like star clusters and nebulae. Plus, an alt-azimuth mount and correctly oriented images allow you to enjoy your Power Seeker telescope during the day. Bring it along on your next camping trip to view landscapes, wildlife, and more. When you're out under the stars, use Celestron's free Sky Portal mobile app for iOS and Android to locate objects in the night sky. As you observe, listen to Sky Portal's audio descriptions for the most popular objects. Happy stargazing! Embark on a voyage of discovery with your family with Celestron's best-selling Power Seeker Equatorial Mount telescopes. These telescopes come with everything you need to get started with astronomy, including a tripod, a finder scope, 2 eyepieces, and a Barlow lens, which triples the power of each eyepiece. The equatorial mount is a favorite of amateur astronomers because it makes it easier to track objects as they appear to move across the night sky. Choose the optical tube that's right for you, from the compact PowerSeeker 60 EQ with grab-and-go convenience to the large PowerSeeker 127 EQ with more light-gathering ability. Every PowerSeeker offers great views of the moon and planets. A larger model will provide more detailed views and help you enjoy fainter, deep-sky objects like star clusters and nebulae. When you're out under the stars, use Celestron's free Sky Portal mobile app for iOS and Android to locate objects in the night sky. Center the object in the finder scope, and it's ready to view. As you observe, listen to Sky Portal's audio descriptions for the most popular objects. Happy stargazing! With the Ultima Spotting Scope, you get great all-around performance at an exceptional value. These best-selling spotting scopes are a customer favorite for their bright views with fully multi-coated optics, fully waterproof housing, and included soft carrying case. With 6 different Ultima models to choose from, there's one to fit virtually any outdoor application. Choose from the lightweight 65mm models for maximum portability, the 100mm models for outstanding light-gathering ability, or the 80mm models for a nice balance. All 3 sizes come in both a straight-through and a 45-degree angled body design, so you can choose the viewing angle that's most comfortable for you. All models include a zoom eyepiece, allowing you to get in close for detailed, up-close views of birds, wildlife, or even the moon. Get more out of your next outdoor adventure with an Ultima Spotting Scope. For over 50 years, Celestron has perfected the Cassegrain optical design to produce observatory-grade telescopes with a winning combination of bright views and portability. Now, our engineers are bringing that expertise down to earth with our Mac and Mini-Mac spotting scopes. You'll enjoy high magnification views with these portable spotting scopes. They're well suited to a variety of applications, including wildlife viewing, surveillance, marksmanship, and basic astronomy. The unique Maxutov Cassegrain optical design compresses the optical path so the tube is much shorter than other spotting scopes of similar focal length. The largest size, the C5 spotting scope, offers 2.5 times more light-gathering ability than a traditional 80mm spotter, while keeping size and weight to a minimum. We've also added our proprietary Starbright XLT optical coating, the same ones used on our high-end telescopes, to increase light transmission. Both the C5 and the smaller C90 spotting scopes are ready for digiscoping. To capture images through your scope, just attach your DSLR camera with compatible T-adapter and T-ring. It's that easy. For even more grab-and-go convenience, choose one of our Mini-Macs, available in 50 and 70mm apertures. These ultra-compact scopes include tabletop tripods and set up in seconds. They're perfect for bringing along on any excursion. All 4 spotting scopes include soft-sided carrying cases.